In this video, I'll show you how to view archive in Gmail. So I'll go ahead and open up Gmail right here. And I have a bunch of emails I have archived. So all I need to do is come here and click on more. And then you'll see this option that says all email. Okay. Go ahead and click on that. And here you'll see all your emails that you have. So once it loads up, all you want to do is come here and click on search. And then I want you to type in, give a column, and then type in archive. Okay? We want all the emails that are available in our archive. So you can go ahead and click on enter. You'll see some of them right here. But if you want to see everything, just go ahead and press on enter. And as you can see right here, I have all the emails that are in my archive available. So if I click on it, as you can see, I cannot archive these because they are already in an archive. For example, if I come to my inbox, and if I want, I can archive these ones because they are not in an archive. So it's really that easy and simple.